Hello everybody and welcome back to another cash stuffing video. I have been a bit MIA lately and for that I apologise. I've been busy living my best life. My kids had parties, we had family over and it was just a whole big hoot nanny, and then we went to a friend's wedding and the partying just didn't stop and I was pretty wrecked after the whole lot, to be quite honest, and so was my bank balance. So now we are back. So as the fella says, I fell off the wagon but now we're getting back on it. And that's the most important thing, is to get back on the wagon. Now, folks, as well, I just want to say a massive thank you to those of you who have subscribed in the last while. I am absolutely flabbergasted that you've even found my channel, that you like my channel. I am just like, what? Because I thought nobody would actually watch it, if I'm being honest. But I'm very, very grateful for the 207 of you that are here. I am absolutely overwhelmed and it's absolutely lovely to see success, but I'm so happy. So thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate each and every one of you for coming along and watching my videos, no matter what the content may be, because it is quite a plethora. I do have cash stuff on Sunday, which is where we're going with this today, and then I do different things during the week, you know, just depending on your mood. And I do have a garden that I like to potter around in. I find it great for the mental health. So anyhow, without further ado, let's get back into saving some money and sorting out these bills. Right, lads, so I've been a bit, as I said earlier, MIA, and literally every single pocket is empty. I think I may have a tenner in the water, which is about all there is in it. Yes, tenner. So let's start. And also today I have a little special guest later on, which I will be talking about later on in the video. But anyhow, let's get going. The budget today is, as always, 200 quid, 200 schmackers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 200 smackers right there. Right, so I have started, as I said before, to write down my things as I need them. Now, I did write it out one way and then I had to change it because it wasn't working. So I had to rewrite it out again, rejig the budget. So this is where we're going to go this week. Now, because my eldest boy has gone off to his nanny and granddad's, I have decided I'm going to take money out of the food budget this week. So I have written it down here as 40, but I'm actually going to put it in as 30 in the actual thing. So let's go. I have 60 to water. 2, 4, 6. Which I'm going to be paying that tomorrow because I want to get rid of that as quickly as I possibly can. And the next one is 40 for food, but I'm actually going to put that down as a 30 because I don't have so many mouths to feed this week. So you know, it all makes a difference. Where else are we going now? 10 to Argos. I might actually put more into Argos if I have it later on in the month. Going to go 20 to Very, which will be an online thing. Where is my Very account? There we are. 20 to Very. And then I should have 70 here, which goes on the council tax. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Oh yeah, 80 then for council tax. Happy days. That's a nice big chunk. We'll get rid of that one quickly. So that is 80 for council tax. Now, penny challenge. Let's see how we're getting on with that. I do have a few coins this time round. Okay. Now, 2, 3, 320, 340, 360, 380, 4, 410, 420, 425, 26, 27, 28, 428. Right, so we're going to have to split that. So let me see. That's the other page. See where we're at. So what did I say? 428, wasn't it? So we might go. So I'm going to put £2 and 3 onto this side. So £2 and 3 here, and then we've got £2 and 25 and £2 and 25 on here. Yep. Now that is all the cash stuff and done. I am just going to switch it up a little bit and I'm going to move on to my special little guest. So guys, what we are doing today, my special little guest is my son Logan, who has decided that he wants to do a money challenge. So we've come up with Logan's money challenge, and we've done it out like this with 5s and 1s, so that it's easy denominations for him. Now when the tooth fairy comes, depending on the condition of the tooth, well, you can get anywhere between a 5 if it's in excellent condition and £1 if it's not cleaned. So yeah, that's where we got the denominations for the 1s and the 5s. So we did it all out like Minecraft. It is in his Minecraft. Logan's very fond of Minecraft, aren't you, Pet? He loves his Minecraft things. So this is in his Minecraft copybook. We're starting our counting. This is also a good way to get kids to do maths, because they're going to learn how to count in 5s and 1s. Whether they know how to do it or not, it's a good way to get them started. Plus they will see, you know, as they colour in the numbers, they will see how much they actually have. So kind of similar to my concept one, it's just a little bit easier and less detailed for them. So he has got quite a substantial amount of money between birthdays and teeth coming out. He's had a lot, so let's count it. 10, 20, 30, 40, and this is an Irish one, an Irish Bank of Ireland £20. So that is 60, I think. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So you have £60 there, Logan.
Oh,
so
cool. Get
your marker. Count off all the 5s till you reach 60. Logan, here you go. Okay, very good. And now we're going to put these back into his money box so we know where he's at with his money, honey.
No, what about these?
No, not yet. We haven't got them yet. Okay. So now we've got quite a substantial amount of coinage here. So let's see how we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Colour all them in. And we've got another 4, so I'll put them in. And we've got another 4, so colour in all of these.
They're 1.
Yeah. And do all of them. We've got another set of 4. Okay, and we're going to do all of these sets of 4 here. So we've got these. Hold on. Yeah, you do the last line. So that's another set of 4. Wow, you nearly have yours finished already. Okay, so now we're going to get another colour pen, because Logan seems to have a lot of money, honey, in his box. So we're going to get another colour. So we have the first £1.
I'm going to use orange now.
Yeah, so colour in money in orange.
Oh, this is really light.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Another £1. And we have another £1, so do another orange.
Mommy, I want my pen.
Good girl, well done.
I've done 2 videos with you. I remember last time I was in one of the videos.
Okay, so and the last bit of coinage is that we've got 11p, and we're just going to leave that to one side till we make it up to £1, so we can put it into our box. Is that okay, Logan?
Yeah.
Happy days.
Are we done?
Yep, that's it. Logan has started his first money challenge, which I have to say for a first day is very, very good. We've coloured a lot of £1 and a lot of £5.
This is very easy.
It is, isn't it? But this is how you monitor. So every time you lose a tooth now, you can colour in one of these. If it's a good tooth.
What
and
about,
if not, you colour in some of these.
No, what about these ones?
When you get a £5, you can colour them in. That's how it goes.
Oh, okay.
Alrighty folks, that is today's video. Just my little special guest Logan doing his first money challenge. His Minecraft money challenge, no less. Radio folks, I'm going to love yous and leave yous. Thanks again so much for joining me today on this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe as always. I love having you here, and I shall talk to you in the next video.